You gonna leave it in there? If I were you, I would have put it. All right. Appreciate it. Okay. Every hour. Oh, every hour. My bad. I told y'all the time was coming. Oh, man. I'm in front of you or behind? Okay. Damn, my drink's leaking like a mother. Let me see. That sound like Home Depot. I knew it. Hold on, let me record Home Depot, man. I'll be back. I know the way his truck sound, y'all. I said that sound like Home Depot. Okay, y'all. We got Home Depot in the building. This who finna race the Tesla, y'all. Yeah, I got 6 tacos, man. I'm gonna give Snoop some, man. Probably give him 2. I think I'm gonna give him 3. We both get 3. Okay. Bojangles, did it? Y'all check out Home Depot. Line getting shorter because Home Depot here they feel like he about to race probably. Big Simba, yeah. I'm telling you her name's Simba, not Pumbaa. Why you call her Pumbaa instead of... He just know Hakuna Matata. That's all he knows. Man, I remember something from the Lion King, man. That's all he remembers. I don't know what kind of Tesla. He think it's a P100. Get it. Ooh. Dang. Yes, Tesla is a play. Alright, since he didn't pop. Let me go over here. Hey man, I'm gonna sip my drink over here in the counter, man. Don't touch it. Man, he still.
Hey, I said no full pass.
Yeah, man, he get paid. Damn, you think he broke it? You think he broke it, Funky Town?
Yeah, I think I ain't broke that bitch. Leaving with 1,500.
Bottle pressure.
Carry your motherfucking shit up every time.
Then he got all that juice on there.
Yeah, he left with my
Damn, man, we been waiting on them to watch that motor all night.
I know, he supposed to be running that test. He
Yeah.
Kill that test.
You think he gonna
kill that test?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you hard money. I'm giving you hard money.
I wish you would.
I'm gonna give you hard money. You'll see. He talking about, I wish you would. Play at this top of the line and go ahead, man. Damn. Hey, man, I'm still here. Look at this, is my favorite cook too, right here, man. He know how to cook it, man. Yeah, I want my crispy like that, man. You know how you be doing. I don't know if I want them. It don't look too crispy, but it look close. That look too crispy. Onion, cilantro. Okay. Oh, no, I ain't doing no onion. I'm gonna do cilantro. I'll probably get a little cheese on it. Get a little cheese. Oh, okay. Before. Oh, yeah, man. Watch how you get them tacos ready, y'all. Let me see. Nitrous backfire, yeah. Hey, y'all, the Packers won, y'all. Next. Damn. You got them boom shirts. Yeah, I got a couple of them left. Team Thundercock just sent some old bitch. Dead Shot Mustang. Oh, I guess that's the same sub from last time. Huh? Nah, yeah, nah. I thought it was gonna be cold. I ain't cold no more. I ain't cold. Ooh, that meat look ready like it ain't nothing, boy. Y'all like it burnt? Everything burnt. I like my shit burnt up. Close to burnt. Ooh, I'm gonna mix that red sauce. Rogers did a boom like Funkertown at the end. 417. 417. Man, I'm trying to get both of them to go fast.
Faster?
Yeah, I need to go faster, man.
Why, you're not ready for the Hondas?
Nah, I need to get ready for all Hondas. When I get to the track, I want to feel like a Honda better not speak to me. I want to whoop all Hondas, man.
You want to whoop the Home Depot?
I want to whoop the Home Depot. He just seemed like he blew up. You didn't see that pass? I think he blew up, man. I think, yeah, something hurt, y'all. Something hurt with the Home Depot, man. I don't know what it's going to be. Check it out. I got the lookout jump on, man. You know what I'm saying? We out here, man. I'm making sure I ain't going to be cold. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, back to these old tacos. Ooh, he's getting them bitches ready. He's stingy with that meat. Yeah. Ooh, another. Oh, yeah, that's my God. Man, he done filled me up. That's my boy, y'all. I be tipping. Huh? Yeah, they coming up. They really been up there. And it's been. Nah, I don't need no lime. Let me a little cheese, man. Let me sprinkle me a little cheese one time. Yeah, that's all we need. Ooh, them bitches is bad. God damn, look at them bitches, man. Let me get that hot sauce. Hold on, y'all. I got it. You gotta come through with that. You gotta come through with that hot, that green sauce. You can do that green sauce. Mine. Okay, that's enough, man. I just like. Hold on. Now this here, you gotta don't drop at a time. Hell nah, I know better. Nah, I'm scared. I ain't got no problem telling you the truth. I'm scared. You gotta put. I know. I don't really want none. You talking about that ain't nothing? I know it ain't. I don't really want nothing.